Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Sunrays Secondary School ban ka Synod Higher Secondary School kila Khur ka nam Lahduh ha ka 32nd State Level Inter-School Karate Tournament arja arpu hendrio bala penya da ka All Meghalaya Karate Do Association ka bala poi shak bakut ha ka singisa jan ha multi-purpose indoor hall jong ka SAI Training Center Shillong ka jingyo pedang ka Sunrays ya ka diga nam ka dei ha ka dan yele kai ki khna shinrang But ya kekerdan baar la yo daga Saint Anthony's High Secondary School kat ba hak liang kikin thei la ra daga Synod High Secondary School but baar ka Sacred Heart Girls High Secondary School ya ka nam best karateka hak kekerdan junior la yo da udaron R Wajri daga Christian Academy High Secondary School but ka Hima ti Kharwan Sok na ka Stonyland Secondary School Katba ya kanam best kartika ka senior layo da u pusaimi ikendia na ka dom perdi yongpia upper primary school jawai bat ka asan ka Beryl Marwen na ka Saint Joseph High Secondary School yaki khusnam shakite ki kinhun lambat shaki na lasam do additional superintendent of police ka East Khasa Hills uba Ivan Benson Dingdo kumukongsan bar uba Alan Yangti President ka West Janta District Karate Association hagjinan lang kinoyalam ka amka bat kiwe laban kedaw kidon hado praspa arngot ki khna kenthei bat shinrang ki bala shiminta na ki shispa arpu hendo tadi ki school ki bala wan na keleng ki district jong ka jila
Good evening to all. It brings me immense pleasure to see many Karachikas here today. This is a testimony of how popular this sport is in our state, in Northeast, and in the country as a whole. To be honest with you, my first introduction to karate was through movies. Those days we had the Karate Kid, next Karate Kid. We had movie stars like Chuck Norris. We had movie stars like John Van Damme, and so on. Seeing again how the sport has grown, going a bit about how it started in Japan many years ago, and from Japan was introduced in America, other parts of the world, how it grew, and what it focuses. That is also very important. Karate, it focuses on discipline. It focuses on respecting your opponents. It focuses on being humble. It focuses on having compassion. These are traits of a good athlete. Winning and losing is part and parcel of life. Winning and losing is part and parcel of any sport. And how you handle the wins, how you handle the losses, will say a lot about you as karatekas. My best wishes to all of you here. Hoping to see many of you represent Meghalaya at the national level in the future. future, I am hoping to see many of you represent the country at international levels in the future as well.
Chui. Lấy giang lăng này. Chưa đâu. Không có lính mà làm không có làm nhiều rồi. Cái đó không có phải là Pilot stay.
Congratulations to karatekas that won today. To those who did not, please be patient. Your time will also come. Great congratulations to the All Meghalaya Karate Judo Association, the sports department, everyone here, and my best wishes to each and every one of you. With these few words, I declare the 32nd state level inter-school karate tournament 26 closed.